Welcome back guys to another POV. Right now we're in Malvern Hills. Got the Sony A7 III and the Sigma 85mm, and we are just going to be getting some bangers, some little nature bangers. The weather's a bit dead, but in a way I like it. As you can see, you've got all this like little hilly vibes over here. Got that geezer there getting a photo of his missus. I'll get a proper one for him because I'm sick. And we've got Jack over there, who we're on road with today, getting a Bangladeshi heats in. Get my brothers over here. You get me? I don't know if you can see it too good on the camera, but like obviously here you can see all that like cloudy mist, and it just looks sick. As soon as that guy's done getting photos there, we're going to hit that spot because it just looks like a nice spot to get some photos. So bear with, and we'll get some bangers for you. And over there. Oh, the weather conditions today are fucking crazy, mate. Looking sick. Get another shot. Lovely, got a couple there. In a sec. Yeah, a picture of you two, yeah? Yeah, no problem, man. No problem. You ready, yep? Oh, say cheese. There we go. Got a couple for you. Alright, no problem.
Thank you.
Alright. Oh, the conditions are literally sick, aren't they, man? There's little cloud vibes and that. They look so sick on camera. Wish I had a fucking 70 to 200, man. Man's got this set up. It's a DJI OSMO Action. Got the fucking OSMO on deck. Yeah. That's all. Yeah, like maybe go as far back as you can. Like where that little rock's sticking up there. Yeah. Yeah, you got a back ting on your right shoulder. So let me get a little bit of a closer ting in it. In fact, let me get a little wide on. 2 secs, get my focus point in check. Yeah, man. Yeah, that should be gooch. Sorry, bro. I didn't realise you fucking had the bag. You want to take the bag off?
Yeah.
Oh, your jacket. I thought you meant you put your. Oh shit. Why do we always do every shoot we go to? We find one spot and we'll spend about 2 hours in that same spot. Fucking aperture vibe, innit? That should be Gooch. Gucci. But if you probably stand where the bag is, just so you got that full set of background in there. Do this simple.
Mate, talk to me.
Oi, what are you doing? We could get one before he disperses. Oh, that was a bangle. I'm stroking the dog in that.
Is it the rain just fucked
You
off
see
as
these
well?
bangles? Oh, perfect timing, man. What does that shot look so sick? What do you reckon? Outside the bangles, man. Get in the middle of the path. Who said she covered her mouth? What's she getting pranged for? Nah. What if I hate dumb people, man?
Yeah.
What do they look up there? It's fucking hammering it down over there.
What was that in my car? I looked too aesthetic and...
Yeah, I know, literally, it was like some mad little Sam Calder thing or something, didn't it? Ooh, I fucking slipping left, right and centre.
Yeah, I think that is one of the things. I think it just goes...
Like each hill must have its own like summit, innit?
Yeah. Wembley.
Let's bus it. Try to get more of that background in. Maybe like stand on the bench or something, man. Yeah. No, that does look sick. It looks a lot better. Come a bit closer. That's what these are saying. Oh, Dirton Rouge. Fucking hell, dirty. Should get that one facing you straight on, sitting on a bench. In fact, let me go a little bit up a slope so I can get like the whole background in, if you get me. Bro, these are fucking ridiculous, mate. Trust me. Get some Bangladeshi hoots. Everybody change. Hey, I know, yeah. It's just fucking chilled, isn't it? Less of that fucking stress, innit? Yeah, but I remember the Reeking was steep because it was kind of like you go up and then you have to come. It's the Summers, the Ann Summers. Yeah, what I'm saying actually, like a next fucking Moody paths and that. Imagine you actually far down. Oh, bro, I'm doing it again, man. And he's got like the grassy bit. Oh no! We need you got hiking boots as well to make war on. Right, I need to mob this off, mate. What is with it? I'm walking on the path, fuck it, I can't be doing this shit, man. Bro, I'm gonna go down at some point today. Like I am fucking going down. Oh, some pure little sheep bangers here. Right, at some point today, I'm fully going to be on my ass, 100%, covered in mud and everything. Hey? Crips in the bloodage. Crips in the blood of fires. Oh, I'm while flapping it, bro. I can see myself going down. It's that little fucking mansion down there. Little haunted mansion and that. They're fucking hench, aren't they? Look at the size of that bastard. What literally what is doing this shit? And how come it's bare of it as well? There's literally like nothing up here. No animals at all. Nah, fuck that.
Why would mud randomly be there?
I don't know, it's got to be turds, isn't it? It literally has to be. It's puking hairy ass balls, man, whatever they are.
Yeah, it's them big fucking...
I literally don't even know what they are. I think they're cows, aren't they? It's like a version of a cow. Careful, we don't stand in that shit, though. Nah, that can't be shit, because look how much is there. It's literally impossible, though, isn't it? Oh, I ain't trying to get savaged out here, fam. Pure fucking little staffies and that. What's that? That what? Asking for what? Yeah, they're literally sick. Gotta get some bangers with them. that. Yeah, trust me.
My lens.
Hey, no, do you know, just like the, not wide, but the,
Oh, that's...
I keep calling it fucking wide landscape. Yeah, well, yeah, walk through this, yeah, that looks sick. Yeah, do it, go the other way, but I want to get like a wider one. You ready yet? Johnny, I'll walk across. Oh, this path looks sick. Oh, is it?
Some big specs on. You know who introduced me to Flip?
Oh, is he that long ago?
Yeah, years ago.
That's where lavender up down there.
Oh, that little pathway looks sick there. Are you going to do me right this time, couple? That little, I don't know, you see right on the edge of that mountain, cliff, hill, whatever you want to call it. But that's why you need a fucking 70 to 200, man.
How big would that lens be?
Yeah, they're them big fucking long. To be fair, I feel like that's fucking hench as it is. I know, it's pissing me off. Keep going from hot to cold, man. Don't know. Yeah, guys. I had to put the camera away for a minute because this rain is a bit hardcore, you know the score. I check in with you, hopefully, if it calms down. It's just annoying because so many sick shots I could be getting. But I just can't get them now. Hey. Oh, perfect. Fucking shot this geezer here. Right over there. Oh, this looks like hell. Little milf in the pram bangers and that. Oh man. Oh, these fucking, my socks, everything is batterooned, man. Fuck's sake. That mud and that. Sick little vibes in there in the rain and that. I've been lucky with the weather because you got that weird kind of like sunny.
It was like while walking through the trees.
Oh, yeah, that looks sick. You're more perfectly in between the little gap of the tree and that.
Yeah, we got lucky with that, man. That was good. It rained a bit when we got here, then it chilled out. It was fine.